Welcome to Herbalist channel. Today, we are going to talk about a powerful and ancient seed, black cumin. You may have heard of it before, but do you know all its benefits? In this video, we will explore the origins, uses, and incredible health benefits of black cumin. Stay tuned to learn why this tiny seed is often called a miracle of nature. Origins of black cumin. Black cumin has been used for thousands of years. It is native to Southwest Asia, but it is popular worldwide. The seed comes from the Nigella sativa plant. In history, it was known as a remedy for many ailments. Even the famous ancient Egyptian queen, Cleopatra, is said to have used it. It was found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun as well. This shows how much ancient cultures valued black cumin. What is black cumin? Black cumin seeds are small, black, and slightly crescent-shaped. They have a unique, peppery flavor with hints of onion. You might see it referred to as black seed or kalanji. The oil extracted from these seeds is very potent. It is often used in cooking, medicine, and even beauty products. Nutritional value. Black cumin is packed with nutrients. It contains protein, fiber, and essential fatty acids. It is also rich in vitamins like A, B, and C. You will find minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium in it as well. The seeds are especially known for their high antioxidant content. These nutrients make black cumin a superfood. Health benefits. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of black cumin. Firstly, black cumin is known for boosting the immune system. It helps the body fight off infections and diseases. The antioxidants in black cumin protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Black cumin is also great for digestion. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. If you struggle with high blood pressure, black cumin might help. Studies have shown that it can lower blood pressure naturally. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Black cumin oil is excellent for the skin as well. It can help with acne, eczema, and even psoriasis. Many people use it to keep their skin smooth and clear. The oil can also be used to treat hair loss. It strengthens the hair and promotes growth. Lastly, black cumin is believed to support weight loss. It can help reduce appetite and improve metabolism. How to use black cumin. There are many ways to incorporate black cumin into your diet. You can use the seeds in cooking. They add a unique flavor to bread, curries, and salads. You can also sprinkle them on yogurt or mix them into smoothies. The oil is also popular. You can take a teaspoon of black cumin oil daily for health benefits. It can be added to your meals or taken on its own. Some people prefer to use black cumin oil as a topical treatment. It can be applied directly to the skin or scalp. Side effects and precautions. While black cumin is generally safe, it is important to be cautious. Taking too much black cumin oil can cause nausea or upset stomach. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using it. People with certain medical conditions should also be careful. It can interact with medications for blood pressure, diabetes, and other conditions. Always start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Where to buy black cumin? Black cumin seeds and oil are widely available. You can find them at health food stores, online, and even some grocery stores. Make sure to buy from a reputable source. Look for organic products to ensure you are getting high-quality black cumin. In conclusion, black cumin is a powerful and versatile seed. Its health benefits have been recognized for thousands of years. Whether you use it in your cooking, as a supplement, or for skincare, black cumin has a lot to offer. If you haven't tried it yet, it might be time to give it a shot. Remember to start with a small amount and enjoy the many benefits it can bring. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.